Good morning. It's a beautiful day today. I feel like a Japanese princess. Just a princess. Completely covered in leaves. It's gorgeous. I came to Kamakura shrine so many times and I haven't seen this passage. It's not so crowded, maybe that's why. Look at this. So pretty. Gorgeous. Hello. Yeah, I'm sorry. Don't have any. What's up? how beautiful that view is. Somebody's feeding them or something? They're going insane over there. One of the coolest coffee shop I've been to. It's called Shia Coffee Shop. They give me a toy. I love it. Coffee was really strong, and I love it. Cheesecakes were a little bit tiny, but the atmosphere, it was perfect for work. I lost time. I worked and I lost time. So I did some shopping. I know, I'm not supposed to, but I did some shopping. It's so cozy, you can tell what I'm wearing. Included in the coziness system. And that's not all. That is not all. It was on sale. But that's not all. I'm a bunny! Oh my god. I can't. This is so cute. I'm a bunny. It's so cute. I can't. It's so worth it. And now to the second item I purchased. It was on sale. So pretty. It's a real pearl. I'm so surprised because I think in Japan it's not the material that matter, it's the brand name or the creator name, because Swarovski is so expensive here and it's just glass. And this, a real pearl that took time and effort to cultivate and create and harvest, real pearl. So cheap. And this is silver. It's not gold, but it's silver. And silver is way cheaper than Swarovski's stone. It's glass. That's glass. And that's silver. I thought silver should be like a little bit more precious because the material is precious, and pearl are also supposed to be really precious materials. I don't know. Don't ask me. I don't know. Maybe it depends. Maybe, I don't know. But still, it's an early birthday gift for me. It's a late Christmas gift for me, because I didn't get me anything on Christmas, and I think because it was after Christmas that everything went down. That's why. So yeah, I finally got me a pearl. I've been wanting one for so long. It's so cute. I love it. It's a little dream of mine. One of my things that I want. And I got. Okay. My tea is ready. Let's go.